kids will love this recipe. I'm cooking chicken stew with fresh tomatoes and canned button mushroom today. It is super tasty and nutritious. You must try it. I have here 7 pieces of chicken wing, 1 can of button mushroom cut into half, and 6 shallots sliced thinly. We also need 4 fresh tomatoes, which are not shown here. Saute the shallots for 1 minute. Add chicken wings, let it fry for about 2 minutes until the skin is slightly brown. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. I don't have tomato paste. If you have tomato paste, you can also add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste instead of ketchup. Add the tomatoes. Add 2 bowls of water. Add 1 teaspoon of mixed herb. Cover and let it simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the mushroom, stir, and simmer for another 5 minutes. Add salt and sugar to taste, and this is done. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.